Coming up in today's video. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Homebody Alicia, and if it's your first time on our channel, welcome. Okay, so tonight we're going to get into a cleaning routine, okay? We're going to make this very quick and simple. I'm giving you practical things that I simply do night to night, and I wake up and my house is smelling clean. Do you hear me? Yep, that's right. So anything you may have cooked the night before, any lingering smells, odors, trust me, if you follow just my practical things I do here, you'll wake up just like I do with a clean environment and ready to start your day. All right, let's get into the video.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feelings get, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you. I'm gonna let it shine on you. I don't need no savior, no helping hand, no one to make me feel loved again. I am a woman, coming alive. Gloria Gaynor, we will survive. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true, yeah. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you, yeah. I wanna let it shine on you. Yeah, yeah. Shine on you. I am a woman, coming alive. Gloria Gaynor, we will survive. I'm gonna let it shine on you. I'm gonna let it shine on you. And I let it shine, shine, shine. I'm gonna let it shine on you. I'm gonna let it shine on you. Shine on you.
And if you're wondering what I'm using, this is a sanitizer for our baby boy bottles. Parents, this is a game changer. I do not have to take the time and clean out bottle by bottle by bottle, even though sometimes I do it. But this is a game changer. This sanitizer makes it so simple, and this is not a sponsored video. I just want to put you guys on. I'll make sure I put the link in the description. Back to the video.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart. Take me to your soul. Never drawn apart. 'Cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star. 'Cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down. Let me down, let me down. I'm your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings, feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You and me, written in the stars.
So we're halfway through the video. If you have not had the opportunity yet, definitely go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you leave me a comment, guys. I love hearing from you. If you like this type of nighttime cleaning routine or any other type of routines, please leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond back. All right. Well, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you in the next one.
Oh, I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more, like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me
for a little word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. For little words, for little words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Did you get struck by lightning? Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like down, down, down. I lost the game that I couldn't play. The memory card it got erased. Well, I'm not plugged in anyway.